Good morning to all present here. My name is Nithin and I am studying in grade 7. Today I am going to tell the life history of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India. Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. I am so glad that the teachers gave me a chance to share this special day with you. Early childhood. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram on Pamban Island as the youngest son. His father, Jainulabdin Marakayat, was a boat owner. His mother, Aisha Ma, was a homemaker. As a young boy, he had to sell newspapers in order to add to the family's meager income. In his school years, Kalam had an average grade, but who was described as a bright and hardworking student who had a strong desire to learn. He spent hours on his studies. Education. His primary education was from Rameshwaram Elementary School. Later, he settled in Squads, Ramanathapuram. In 1950, he joined St. Joseph College at Tiruchirappalli to do BSc. He joined DMIT in Aeronautical Engineering at MIT, Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai. In 1958, after passing a graduate aeronautical engineer, he joined Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, Bangalore as a trainee career. After graduating from MIT, Mr. Kalam took up the position of Chief Scientist at Aeronautical Development Establishment of Defence Research, shifted to Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, where he was the project director of India's first indigenous satellite launch vehicle and development organization, DRDO. From 1992 until 1999, Kalam was appointed as the Chief Scientific Advisor to the Prime Minister and the Secretary of Defence Research and Development Organization. It was during this time that Kalam served as the Chief Project Coordinator of Pokhran 2 nuclear tests, after which he was fondly called the Missile Man of India. Major missiles in India. The 5 projects were scheduled to be completed in a time frame of only 10 years and consisted of NAG, an anti-tank guided missile; Prithvi, a surface-to-surface battlefield missile; Akash, a swift medium-range surface-to-air missile; Trishul, a quick reaction surface-to-air with a shorter range missile; Agni, an intermediate range ballistic missile, the mightiest. Presidency. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India, succeeding K.R. Narayan. He won in 2002 presidential election with an electoral vote of 9,22,844 votes, surpassing 1,07,366 votes won by Lakshmi Sangal. He served from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. Books and documentaries of APJ Abdul Kalam. Wings of Fire, India's 2020, Ignited Minds, Luminous Sparks, Mission India, Inspiring Thoughts, Development in Fluid Mechanics and Space Technology. His personality traits: inherited honesty, self-discipline, and faith in goodness. From his parents, hardworking, determined, possesses perseverance, passionate for the work, artistic, highly spiritual, loving and caring, committed and dedicated for work, positive thinker. Awards: IE Honorary Membership 2011, 2010 Doctor of Engineering, 2009 Honorary Doctorate, 2009 Howard Medal, 2009 International One Karman Wings Award, 2008 Doctor of Engineering, 2008 Doctor of Science, 2007 Honorary Doctorate of Science and Technology, 2007 King Charles II Medal, 2007 Honorary Doctorate of Science, 2000 Ramujan Award, 1998 Sarvarkar 1997 Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration. 1997 Bharat Ratna. 1990 Padma Vibhushan. 1981 Padma Bhushan. Quotable quotes by APJ Abdul Kalam. All birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. Creativity is seeing the same thing, but thinking differently. Here I have given a picture of 5 lines you can speak every morning, created by APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.